Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs, and I purchased some new items for sewing purposes and also for filming purposes. So I just wanted to share those with you because you may be looking for some of the same items or some things to make your sewing life better and also your filming life. So first, I'm gonna start with the things that are not so much like sewing notions and things. This microphone system is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone system. I really do like this because it has like so many accessories. Well, I guess so many ways of using your microphone. Like right now, I have one on me, this little thing here, and it is magnetic. That's another thing I like about it is that all of the pieces, like the microphone pieces, are magnetic. So this is the other mic. This one does come with two mics and one transmitter. The magnet and the mic. You have your charging cable, your transmitters for if you want to use your phone. This one is for Android, USB-C types, and this one is going to be for like your iPhones. You also get two windscreens. You get the receiver and a cord that goes with that. So you can use one of these two necklaces if you want to wear your microphone around your neck, and you can easily adjust this like that. And then you can also make it longer, however you need it to be. So this would just go on there. And I did leave the magnet off, but for safekeeping, I just also put that on the back of the necklace. And then you also have these clips. Same thing. Go on you and you can clip it. This is the charging case. So right now this is full. 3 would mean it's 75%, 250, and 125%, of course. So this is the pouch that it comes in. Very small and easy to carry. I really like everything about this little tripod. It has a remote control that you can connect to your phone. I'll be using this to like get my vertical content while I'm sewing. Then the other thing that has been a game changer for me is this newer NEEWER tripod. It is very heavy duty, and my main purpose for purchasing this tripod is for filming my overhead content. So the next thing I purchased is this pack of rose gold zipper tape. It's actually black, and then the zipper coils and the pulls are rose gold. And this is 10 yards. I also got this off of Amazon, and it comes with 25 zipper pulls. And the zipper tape looks just like these. Okay, and then the sewing tool that I'm most excited about is this chalk cartridge set. I like this because it has this holder for your chalk. I do not like the way chalk feels. None of it. I didn't like it in school. I never liked it. It just really makes my skin crawl. I went ahead and purchased a denim button set. I'm getting ready to work on some denim sewing projects, and I wanted to have these buttons already on hand. I think it comes with like a little screw or something as well, but they are gold and silver. So in addition to those sewing things, I picked up these shoe boxes. I have 8 of them. Now I got these at Walmart for $1.27. These are for my batch cut projects. I'm going to put the pattern, the cut pattern pieces, notions, and everything in these containers. I got these 2 Haribo gummy bear boxes from my dad's house, and I just knew I could use them in my sewing space, either for extra thread, bobbins, buttons, notions, what have you. Little items like this would be great for extra storage in your sewing space. Those are the newest sewing supplies and filming gear in my sewing room right now. If you're interested in any, I will list these items in the description box below. So you can go and check those out. And hopefully, some of these things will help you out if you're looking for any of these items yourself. Until next time, keep sewing.